Hello and welcome to today's craft session with me, Bev, and this is Evelyn. Today we're going to make dragon eggs, or whatever type of egg you want. I think mine's going to be a mermaid egg.
Mine's going to be a real dragon egg.
So, the things that we need to make dragon eggs are...
clay and
tinfoil, which makes the base of your egg. And then we've got some
balls. I've got the balls that I want flowers.
You've got lots of beads in there, haven't you? So we've got our clay as well. We've used food colouring in our clay to colour it. I know that you can get air dry clay that's already coloured. I believe that you can colour it using paints as well. And then we've got our selection of things to decorate our eggs with. So I've got some beads in here, I've got some buttons, and I've got some shells as well. You've got lots of round beads in there, haven't you?
Beads and all sorts.
So
I'm just needing beads.
Initially, what you want to do is to create an egg shape with some tin foil. So the idea is that you screw it up and then sort of build around it with layers and layers and layers. This will give you a nice solid base for your egg. Also, it will help the egg to dry faster. Air dry takes a while if you have a big amount. So we just sort of build up layers like this and create an inside egg shape. Okay, so we've made our egg shapes now. These are quite solid. So not only are they light, but they also will give us a good base with which to build our clay upon and then stick the beads into. So that's what we're going to do now. You got your clay, Evelyn? You got your clay? Yep. So we've got our clay, we've worked it quite a lot, so it's quite soft. So we're going to work it flat, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we've got our egg shapes now. You can have them as smooth or not as you want. You could use a bit of water now to smooth it over if you wanted.
I'm a big one.
I'm not particularly bothered about mine being too smooth. We've also flattened the bases off a little bit, just so that they'll stand up. Yeah, that's a nice shell, isn't it? So now you just need to go ahead and stick your gems onto it, your jewels. I have seen these. Have you got all the shells? I have seen dragon eggs before with bits of chain wrapped around them. It's totally up to you. Just go wild and find whatever you can around the house. Are you going to start sticking now?
All the shells. And all the shells in the world. They're not very great.
So you just want to press your things in. Some things will work better than others. If things aren't pressing in, you can always go ahead and use a bit of glue. Okay, so we have finished decorating our eggs. Here we go.
Mine is a funky one.
It's very funky, isn't it? And now we decided we're going to put some glitter paint on. So this is just a bit of poster paint. And we're going to paint this wherever we feel like it. You could paint little spots and dots onto yours, or you could just leave it as it is. Okay, so there we have it.
I can't hold my own.
These are our eggs.
Let me hold it.
And we'll just let them dry now for 24 hours, a whole day.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow they'll be ready.
Yeah.
And we can put them on display in your bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? So I hope you've enjoyed today's session.
In your bedroom.
In my bedroom.
Yeah.
And we'll see you again next time.
Bye!